Hello everyone, this is Suraj and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing of NoiseBuds VS103 TWS. This is the box of NoiseBuds VS103. I purchased this product for $8.99 from Amazon. And let me unwrap the plastic. This is a black color unit and there is a Noise branding on the top. Noise has received India's Most Promising Brand of the Year in 2019 from ET Awards. On the back, it has mentioned the specifications. Full touch control, HyperSync technology, 18 hours of playtime, IPX5 water resistant technology, and MRP mentioned on the box is 2,999 rupees. Let me unbox the NoiseBuds VS103. This is the warranty registration card and it comes with 1 year of warranty, and in this card it is explained how to pair with a phone or a laptop. This is the user manual. And noise stickers. And lastly, this is the charging case of VS103. And this is how it looks. It comes with Type-C charging port. These are the buds and they also come in dual finish, and please make sure that to remove these stickers before you use. NoiseBuds VS103 is very nicely designed with dual finish, that is matte black and small border with glossy black finish. It feels a bit slippery to hold. The magnetic lid can be opened very easily in a single hand. This magnetic lid is neither flimsy not very sturdy though. NoiseBuds VS103 is very well designed. It is very comfortable to wear for long duration. It comes with Bluetooth version 5 and ranges up to 10 meters. Each buds gives 4.5 hours of playtime. And to charge the earbud completely, it nearly takes up to 2 hours. This earbuds comes with 10mm driver and sounds decently. Instrument separation is not bad. Mid-tones and vocals are good, but bass is on lower side. So I would suggest not to purchase this who loves more bass. I would rate the sound quality 6 out of 10. Let us see how well this HyperSync technology works with my iPhone. You can see that earbuds is not connected yet. And once I open the lid, it instantly gets connected. Not more than 3 seconds. It's quite amazing. I'll show you the basic controls of VS103. You can see that song is in pause. And in order to play the song, I double tap on right earbud. And in order to increase the volume, I single tap on right earbud. Similarly, to decrease the volume, I single tap on left earbud. In order to switch for next song, I long press on right earbud. And to return back to previous song, I long press on left earbud. The final verdict on NoiseBuds VS103. Sound quality is average. Noise cancellation is pretty decent. Call quality is good. If you get this product within 1K, then I would say it is value for money. Also, I noticed few bugs like even after I put the earbuds into the charging case and close the lid, the earbuds used to not disconnect from my phone. And I'm sure that Noise will clear these kind of bugs from a software update. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel.